Every pray for blessing, pray for better living. Are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thanking God for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my very first passion twist. This was a very interesting hairstyle and I've been getting a lot of requests to do this style, and I intentionally refused to do this hairstyle on my channel just because I don't know, something about the texture of the hair is just not what I'm used to when it comes to twisting, and I already feel somehow about twist. So to use a hair that's very light, I'm just like, listen, I just see this going wrong in so many different ways, but it's such a beautiful hairstyle. It looks so good, and I feel like, I'm just been stuck in my ways, honestly. But it wasn't too bad. The only thing I don't like about the hairstyle is that it unravels. Maybe I wasn't doing it well. Maybe there's a different way you're supposed to twist it that I didn't. But how I was able to do it, I kind of approached it the way I approach all my other twists. Now, from my understanding, the difference between a passion twist and regular twist is the type of hair that you use. You use crochet curly hair. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but correct me if I'm right or wrong, okay, in the comment section. But yeah, that's the hair I used. This hair was by Freetress. I would put a link in my description so you guys can check it out. It's made for passion twist, or is branded as a passion twist hair, so that's what I used. So I just cut the hair in half because I didn't want the length to be long, so I begin to twist like rope twist style, where I start off twisting from the base and then follow through. So yeah, I just twisted like I normally would twist any other hair, twist style that I've done before, and then I added this curly hair from Freetress just to give it a bohemian look and just a fun look. This is just me being extra, okay, just to make this hair look good, just in case it comes out ass. So then let me just add this curly hair. It always is good when you add curly hair to everything. It's like adding hot sauce to everything. That's how I approach curly hair. So I just applied it onto the hair and then left a little bit of the hair out so that way it can kind of fall on the twist when we're done. So yeah, the reason I don't like passion twists, okay, I don't want this video to be why I don't like passion twists, but like I'll just tell you what I don't like and what I like about the hairstyle. So what I don't like is that the hair, you literally have to twist for so long because curly hair is a scam. It's longer than it looks, so like you would think the hair would fall to a certain length, but then when you start twisting forever, you guys. So that's one thing I dislike so much about this hairstyle, and this applies for spring twist especially. Yeah, I just hate twisting curly hair. It's weird. So yeah, when I get to the ends, I just kind of let it do its thing and curl up on its own. And then yeah, that's just about it. I'll let you guys watch for yourself. But I just don't think this hairstyle lasts for a long time. It's just one of the, okay, here's why I really don't like it. When I used to do twists back in the day, one of my pet peeves, or one of the scariest thing as a hairstylist for me, is when a client texts you and tells you that hey, their hair is coming out or their hair is falling off. And like I would always have that problem with twists when I first started, and I did my best to make sure that I was able to learn how to do twists enough to where like I never had any issues with like clients and their hair unraveling. So with a hair like passion twist, because we're using hair that is very very soft, okay, very curly, it goes against everything I've taught myself about Senegalese twist and the likes of it. Making sure that you're using expression hair, making sure the hair is feathered properly, make sure you seal the ends and tie a knot, to make sure it doesn't unravel. And then you have passion twist where it's like you don't even twist really like you're supposed to twist. You don't twist too tight because you want it to kind of do its thing. And then you don't really tie the ends like that because it just looks weird. And then you're working with hair that's like curly and it's just not expression. I can guarantee you your twist would stay put, especially if you have a good twisting technique. But with passion twist, it's just like it goes against everything I know to be true about twists. So I'm just like, you know what, y'all can have it. I'll let you guys do your thing with this, have fun. But I'm like, look, it's 2020, Mary Day. It's time you do things out of your comfort zone. You try things out of your comfort zone. So I'm like, why not try out Passion Twist? So here we are doing a Passion Twist tutorial after, I'm pretty sure I'm the last person on YouTube to do this video. But whatever, I don't care. Who cares? Right? Who cares? Anyways, if you have any tips of how you do your passion twists, please do share with me. Any tutorials that have helped you, please do share with me. But honestly, this hair actually came out really, really cute. Really, really cute. Like, so cute when we're done. It's very bohemia-ish. I love that I added the curly hair. It spiced it up a lot. Kind of reminded me of that Marley twist I did with Marley hair and the curls, but with softer textured hair with passion twists. Does that make sense? Anyway, so yeah, you guys, do let me know your thoughts and your opinions on passion twists and spring twists in the comments. Do you like them? What are your thoughts on them? Are they overrated? Or, you know, is it just like a Maggie cube? Does it spice up your life, you know? But yeah, you guys, wow, I say yeah, you guys a lot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna let you guys watch and I'll catch you guys at the end of this video. Okay, God bless. So this is where this video ends for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So what I'm pretty much doing is just cutting off any like stray hairs that I had, and then I'm going to be, yeah, just pretty much cutting off any stray hairs, making sure that the hair falls right, making sure that it looks good, fix anything that needs to be fixed. And yeah, that's just about it. And then I go in and apply any accessories. I didn't want to overdo the accessories. I just wanted to keep it simple. I don't really think, honestly, I'm starting not to like hair accessories a lot. Like, I don't know. Like, I just like very, if I do, it's probably like 2 or 3 or like 4. But all the strings, all that stuff, I'm not really into them anymore. But some people are still very cute. It's just, I don't know, just I don't like them anymore. So I just go ahead and slick down her hair, her baby hair, And yeah, you guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, leave a comment, say hello, hi, how you doing, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.